Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagate from College Dunya. Today I am at Sri Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Kirit J. Modi sir. He is a professor and head in Department of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya.
Welcome.
So start with the interview sir. My first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Okay, so if we consider the present education system, so the good thing is that nowadays we can see that lots of youth, a young generation, they are preferring to even join the academic institutions. Lots of young engineering faculty members, so they are preferring to join as a lecturer and assistant professors. Even they are preferring to pursue the PhD degrees. So that is one of the good thing. And one more thing is that now we are using the technology in the teaching learning process in our education and in technology field. So that is one of the key factor that motivates me, because I have the background of the engineering. So I always prefer that how to use the technology. Mainly we can say ICT technology for the teaching learning process. So that is one of the reason that actually encourage me to join this engineering domain education.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, how does the curriculum of Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering ensure the best practice of industry?
So at present, by considering the need of the industry, if we think about the local requirements and the global, the industry expectations, the thing is that we are in an era that we are working with the MNCs, global organizations. The good thing is that at present our students are actually working with the MNCs like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and they are also getting the jobs at the local companies like Tata Consultancy Services and Civica, and they are Wipro. So this kind of the companies, they are hiring to our students. So the one good thing is that we are continuously connected with this kind of the industry organizations, and we are trying that how we can offer the project based learning approach to the students. We are also offering the internships to the students. We are time to time we are conducting the industry visit, field visits, and we are conducting the seminars. And at the present era of the pandemic, we are actually conducting the webinars, and we are continuously interact with our alumni. So in this way we are actually trying that how we can make our syllabus industry ready, and how the students get the maximum benefit of the training and placements.
Very nicely explained about your curriculum, sir. So on that note, my next question is, any insight into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different economic backgrounds?
Okay, so this is a very appropriate question by considering the present situation, because now we can see that sometimes students are preferring to take admissions, that is by considering their financial the condition and the requirements. So the good thing of our institution is that our trust is offering the scholarships to the various students. So students who are getting actually the merit rank from 1 to 10,000, so we are offering 100% scholarship to them. Along with that, actually we are offering various kind of the government scholarships to the students. So we are offering MY, SY scholarship. We are offering the scholarships to the students who are actually benefited with the free SIPS card. And in addition to that, the students who are actually completing the 12th standard from our the schools associated with our trust, as well as the students who are completing the diploma programs and the BTech programs from our institutions, we are also offering these scholarships to them. So in this way we are trying to even encourage the students of the various backgrounds and various categories. So our interest is that how each and every student can get the admission in their interested the branch without being worried about their financial condition. So in this way we are actually covering the different categories of the students.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
Okay, so this is a very appropriate question by considering our present the admission cycle. So I want to actually provide you the details that our institution, that is Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering, so it was established in 1999. So now at present we have completed 21 years successfully, and various students, they have completed their BTech graduation in the various branches like computer engineering, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering. And recently, by considering the present trends, now we are offering the programs in the branches like information and communication technology, as well as artificial intelligence and data science. So the thing is that we have this the institution which is running from last more than 20 years. Along with that, we have a 80 acres campus, and within the campus we are providing the hostel facilities, transportation facilities. We also have the some good laboratories. We at the computer and IT department, we have the NME ICT IITB sponsored the remote center lab. We also have the eYantra lab. So in this way, we are offering the different kind of the laboratory facilities to the students. We are very much connected, well connected through ICT technologies. So in our the present the pandemic situation, we are actually offering the online teaching learning to the students, and students are getting the benefits of different kind of the e-resources which we are providing through our library facility. So these are some of the unique features which we have. And I want to highlight one more thing here is that in the North Gujarat, we are one of the only campus which we are offering the engineering college along with the pharmacy, medical and dental programs which we have. And our campus is located within the city. And we also have the hospital within the campus. So that is one of the benefit to the students. So if students are facing any kind of the medical emergency, they can get the immediate treatment at the campus level.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what do you see as Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering's greatest strength?
So if we think about the greatest strength of our Sankalchand Patel College of Engineering, so one thing is our trust. So our trust is actually has an experience of more than 8 years of the education sector. Along with that, we have the faculty members which are placed here. So our faculty members are well qualified and experienced. If we consider the average experience, so we have the faculty members with more than 10 years experience. We have the PhD qualified faculty members, and along with that, we are mainly focusing on the teaching learning activity by using the modern ICT technology. So, and one point that I want to highlight here is that we are actually providing almost 100% placement opportunity to students who are interested for the job. And along with that, the good thing is that a large number of the students who have benefited for the higher studies at the different universities of the countries like USA, Canada. So this is one of the good feature, and I think students they have to take into consideration these points during the time of the admission.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth, sir?
So I would like to convey a message from the academician that whenever you are planning to take admission, first of all, it is very important that you can think about the institution. Institution should be, I think, very well established. It should be, I think, more than 10 years established institutes. So it will help you to develop your all the requirements. You will get the overall development if the institution is well established. That is one thing. Second is that along with the establishment of the institution, the second important thing is the branch. So you have to take care about the branch. For example, at the current moment, we can see that students are preferring to take admission in the branches like computer engineering, information technology, and information and communication technology. So there is one reason behind that. During this pandemic situation, even these are the only branches who are providing the jobs through work from home approach. And in this way, I think students have to take into consideration, and they have to think that which are the branches they have the emerging technologies, and they will provide you the job opportunities not at the global level, but they can provide the job opportunity at the near places. So I think they have to take these things into account. And I think one important factor that I am actually observing is the fee. So fee and the location. So these are the two important factors. So by considering the present scenario, corona situation, I think they have to take care about these two factors also. So I think this helps a lot them, and they have to check what kind of the placements are they providing by the various institutions. So if they will consider these factors during their admissions, so I think definitely they will get the very good knowledge, they will get the degree from the reputed institution, and I'm sure, and I have the belief that students will definitely make a very good career in the engineering and technology field. Yeah.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your college. Thank you, sir, for
Thank
being
you.
part of College Dunia.
Thank you, and
sir.
I wish all the best to the College Dunia.
Thank you, sir.